Hi. Alright guys, welcome to Rivera Urban Homestead. This weekend I have a lot of work to do. I won't get it all done this weekend, but the project is basically the backyard remodel. The first thing I'm going to start with, I mean, if I look at the whole project, it's mind-blowing as far as the work. So I'm going to do one little piece at a time. This weekend I'm going to focus on the fencing. The chicken fence that we have up, you know, we have it running all the way across the yard. We're going to section that off like I said once before. And we're going to give the chickens this whole section back here. We're going to open that up for like some fruit trees and more garden space. And maybe even a little play set for Tyler for Christmas. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, I'm going to take this whole thing down and we're going to just start over with the fencing. So let's do it. Alright guys, sorry about all the wind. We do have a cool front that moved in. Right now it's about 11:30 and it's only 71 degrees. That's pretty good for here, man. I actually am wearing my jeans and boots and it feels really good to be able to. Anyway, eventually we're going to take this banana fence down, this Frankenstein of a fence that I put up so Molly wouldn't dig them up. We're going to take that down eventually, but for right now we're going to concentrate on, again, the chicken fence. I want to get that all done. So let's get the chickens new boundaries set up for them, new gate and everything, new positioning. We're going to move that feed storage outside of the gate, out of the fence, so it'll be good. Anyway, while we're here, look at this. There you go, some little bananas. And I have plans for the bananas too. I might do a whole video on that because I need to fertilize, I need to replenish their nutrient levels. But anyway, whole different story. I'm getting off track, guys. Being as I have the fence down right here for now, I might as well take advantage and prune the bananas. So let me do that real quick. Are the balloons making it to the other yard? Or the bubbles, I mean, yeah. The kids start seeing the bubbles over there like, wait a minute. They are blowing that way. Kind of. Okay, back to work. Alright, so this part is all up to here. Now I'm going to move that long piece that goes all the way to the end. We're going to undo that. We're going to shift it all the way over to here. And like I said, we're going to run the fence to the end of the coop. We'll put a post right here, and then we'll use that big long, let me see. Oh, well, right here there's one. One of these big long gates right here. That's going to be the entrance. That's going to be the entrance going across there. It'll be nice. Plenty big to get a wheelbarrow in here, and then all this will be opened up to get out to the garden on that side of the house. It's all going to mesh. It'll be awesome. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. I'm going to put this gate up here, and I think what I'm going to do is go to Lowe's and get the studs that I can mount to the coupe and it can fit right on it. One problem I have is this handle is broke here. See that? And I want it to be able to securely latch. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unbolt that one and take it off and use it on that other gate. And that's it. Now I'm going to just start wiring it up. Okay, one thing I said I was definitely going to do, and obviously didn't do it, is move my Rubbermaid out of there before I wired all this. So now I got to drag it around. Here we go. Okay, so here's the scenario. I want to mount the gate right there on the coupe. But the only thing I could find at Lowe's was like 4-inch post mounts. So I really don't want to try and get all that into the coupe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a 2x4 and put it right there, which I found one here. I'm going to cut that and then I'm going to mount that to the coupe, then drill through and try and mount that as much as possible. Let's see how it works. I just saw a black racer over there. It was just slithering over there. Molly chased it into the green bushes.
It was a snake?
Yeah, the black racer. Alright, so it's break time for me. A little piece of pizza, nice cold beer. But Tyler, yes, keep working. Keep working, Tyler. Alright guys, so far here we are. We re-fenced this whole area. All re-fenced right to the back of the coupe. Got this nice big gate in, a floating gate. Got it mounted there nicely, nice and level. I could open it up either way. Right now I got a log in the way over there, and a log in the way over here because I'm not done cleaning yet, but and there's Tyler still working. What are you doing there, buddy?
Getting this into holes.
Yeah, be careful with that. So yeah, there we go. So what I'll do definitely, like I always do, is I'll put logs on the outside all the way around the perimeter, and I'll probably nail the fence bottom line to the logs with those horseshoe nails I got. That way the bottom is secure. Molly can't just run under it if there's food in here she wants. So yeah, that's still another step, but phase 1 is complete. The chicken fence. Keep working. Looking good, looking good. Why don't you close the gate so the chickens don't get out? Alright guys, so my battery's getting low, but there you go. I bordered it up a little. I nailed it to the railroad tie over here. Gates up. I added a little cement block borders down underneath the gate. Obviously I have to add more soil there, build it up to get it level across, but for now it's done. Okay, so some people are going to ask, why did I make the chicken living area smaller? Well, basically I want to reclaim some of my backyard. So it says chickens need, per 4 chickens, you really only need about a 4x4 area, coop run area. I have a 7x11 inner run, and this thing's probably 25 feet by 10 foot wide. Plenty of room for my 5. So there you go. It's all done. Now we can start decorating inside of it. One thing guys, if you are not giving your chickens a bale of straw every once in a while, they are totally missing out. They love picking around in the straw. So definitely give them some straw and let them explore it. They love it. The girls are just getting used to it, the newbies. But they will, and they'll start digging around and they'll love it just as much, see? Until that one comes, that's my straw. Get out of here. Anyway, give them some straw.